The destination is on your right, Willcox Cemetery. Arrived.
Come here, Yuki. Oh, here's some that are broken too. I wonder if that's them. I didn't read it. They need to fix that up. $18.97. Go check out what this one is. Wow, here's part of the headstone. It's in sad shape. A lot of the wooden ones are broken. Here we go. Hard to read, huh? Cole somebody. Lloyd E., son of Red E., 1896. Oh, I hate it when I see young kids and babies. $1901. Yeah, I saw some people leaving, and they did say there's a lot of stuff out here, but it really needs a lot of help. I agree. A lot of these have been tipped over. Let's see what this one is. Anna Stallings, July 15th, 1896. There's one over here. Geraldine Vera Moore, 1896 to April 18th, 1896. Another baby. God bless him. Well, everybody wants to know this next one coming up, so here it is. Oh, he's got a big old concrete slab and a metal head plate. There you go. See if I can get out of the sun a bit. Warren Baxter Earp, 1855 to 1900, the way it was. Michael Hickey's A Closer Look. Huh. That looks pretty solid where nobody can mess with it, so. But that's really not fair because all these, like this one, Dickie Hall, and all those smashed ones, they're just pretty much out here disrespected, you know? Okay, here. If we get this way, the sun won't